If you're tired of having to clean your litter box and still have it smell like urine, or if your cat is really finicky with their litter box, you'll definitely want to check out this cat litter box. So let's go over the CATPAK stainless steel extra large litter box. I'm gonna go over all the different features of it, talk about who this is for. I'm gonna show you all the different components of this litter box, talk about the features of it, and then talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision for your cat litter box. Okay, so have a look at this. It is a pretty large litter box. It is 22.8 by 16.5 by 5.9 inches. I'll just rotate this around just so you can get a better look at it. Here's the front, of course, the other side. Okay, and then let's have a look at the top right here. So we get a closer look at the top. So on the top, we have this one entry point right here with a little flap. And the second entry point, we can just lift up the entire top right here. We can also lock this. There's two locks right here. And then it's locked. Okay, and then also on this lid right here, we have a little odor pad that we can keep in all the odor. Okay, now I'll take off the top here. So we'll just go ahead and press in where it says push on both sides. We'll hear it click, and then we'll just lift it on up. That's the top. And then we have another piece on top right here. Take off the scooper first. And here is the kind of liner on the outside. And we can see I have the honeycomb little grid on the front. That way when your cat puts their paws on there, it'll keep some of the litter that's on their paws in the actual stainless steel bin here. Okay, in the stainless steel bin, so as you can see, it's pretty big. So this holds 20 pounds of litter, so quite a lot. So this gives your cat a lot of flexibility, just with being able to dig through it. And of course, again, it's really big, so there's a lot of room for them to move around in. This litter box will be good for a cat up to 25 pounds, so quite large. And this is 201 grade stainless steel. So as long as you wash it, it's not gonna absorb any of the urine or any of the feces. So it's just not gonna smell like other plastic litter boxes. So that's one of the great things about having this stainless steel litter box, and it's super easy to clean. Okay, we'll assemble it. So we'll want to hear this click on both sides. Okay, and then the front goes right here, and we'll want to press the two push buttons on both sides. Okay, and then the front here. So with the front, we can lock the front door if we would like. We can also completely remove this if we would like. So it's really flexible. So again, you know, cats can be a little picky about their litter boxes. So you can have this open, you can just completely remove this front door, and it just, yeah, whatever your cat prefers. And also we have on the front here, this little pedal rest. So we have the front here with the honeycomb to get some litter off. And then when we put their paws on here as well, this will get off more of the litter. And it's a nice little base right here and easy to clean. Okay, then we also have a scooper, pretty big scooper, a nice addition to this. It's a little box for it, and it goes on the side right here. There's a little slit. We can just slide that on over. Okay, so the pros of this thing, it's really flexible, as you saw. Lift this up, lift this flap up, has a little entryway door. You can remove that. It's stainless steel, so it's easy to clean. It doesn't absorb odor. It can hold a lot of litter. So if you have one cat, this will last up to 30 days. If you have two cats, the litter will last up to 15 days. Okay, so who is this litter box for? This is for cat owners that have cats that are 15 to 25 pounds. This is plenty big for them. This is also good for multi-cat households. If you have two cats, this is definitely big enough for both of them. Also, if you're tired of buying those plastic litter boxes, this one will last, and you don't have to replace it because it's not going to absorb those odors. And this is not for anyone who has a cat that's less than 15 pounds. And if you're trying to save space with your litter box, this is a little bit of a bigger litter box, so you'll want to choose a smaller one. So if you're looking for a great litter box, this is definitely worth checking out.